My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done 19,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker, oven and fridge. This camper is 4-berth 5 belts, so as we'll be able to see from the pictures, this double bed transforms into 2 seats. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have parking sensors, quick access to radio, media, Bluetooth, and Apple and Android CarPlay. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.